Hey everyone, we're Tabs and Jeff, and welcome to our ambulance conversion / adventure. I'll follow you.
With the heat gun, this stuff just keeps flaking. Pretty baked on, a pretty brittle sticker.
What's on the drill? Like an eraser?
Yeah, it's for.
Looks like a bathtub stopper.
It works good to clean off this shit. It does chip away at this. Like, takes quite a bit.
So how are we gonna get those ones off? Patience and heat gun, or?
It's gonna fucking test me, that's for sure.
Let's just show how many decals we have to take off. So I guess not too bad. That's a pretty good section done. So we decided that we were going to start removing everything that really made this an ambulance. These are the sound makers. I don't even know what you call them. The siren makers. And they had to go. We're getting rid of that whole grill, and we have to unwire all those pieces. We also have to fix this panel. There's some rust. We really want to get rid of that light, going for a really sleek finish. We are on to day 2. I think we're just going to set a reasonable goal and try and get the decals off. I was doing it yesterday and it just worked a lot better when he came and gave me a hand. So this is what we're looking at. Hopefully by the end of the week, we have all the decals off. We have created some carnage. The best system is using a razor blade, and Jeff will like heat it up and then razor blade, and then I try and, get it evenly, and he'll keep the decal warm all the way down, and then I'm pulling it off. Definitely a 2-man job. Very doable if you have someone that can help you. Yeah, definitely easier with 2 people. And we have a little wind block over on the other end because the wind was like blowing our heat away. Goal for tonight is to finish this side, and these decals seem to come off really quick. They were the most recent add-ons, where these I think have been on here for a while. Let's get back.
We had trouble trying to find the right fenders for 92 to 96 Econoline. I went ahead and ordered ones that fit in 07 to 2007, and hopefully they fit. It doesn't look like to be a whole lot of difference. There's a difference in part numbers or whatever, but we ordered them and it looks like they will fit. We will see in the end. Okay, these were about $500 for the pair. We have some pretty serious rust at the bottom of the panel. Plus, we were removing that light, basically, so it doesn't look too much like an ambulance. And then I'll just paint it myself because we're going to wrap the whole ambulance anyway. Just for the time being, we'll paint them white. Should work. Definitely not that crazy of a price to have 2 new fenders.
You did try and salvage, like you tried to find used, and
It's tough to find these older vehicles. Pretty sure it'll fit.
She thinks I'm a little lazy, I think she's a little crazy. We like summer and we like spring, watching wrestling in the ring. She ain't shy, she speaks her mind, tough as nails and smooth as wine. We burn hot as kerosene, baby, we got our own thing. She ain't skinny and I ain't tall, and that don't bother us at all. I run naked through the yard, she flash every police car, drinking wine and getting tired, and shooting out the damn street lights. How does she put up with me? Oh, baby, we got our...
It's like clumps. This is all the ones we don't need.
Well, a portion of it.
Oh, and then part of it is just the headlights.
Yes, but the headlights probably flashed with everything, right?
Yeah.
So, I guess this, as far as this goes right now, I should be able to grab this one. Went with a different year grill. Red drill, did you leave it in there? Where's the drill?
It's in these holes. And it's nice and solid. That ain't going nowhere.
Most of the time it's forward pressure.
Oh yeah. They're bottomed out, so they ain't going nowhere.
Well, I left Chattanooga, boy, had $1 and a dime. Headed out for Nashville on the Hard Rock Line. I'm working on that old steamboat and I learned to rob and steal. When my feet had touched dry land, how happy I did feel. Been saving every penny for to make up through the fall. Working for that dollar, but it never adds up at all. Coming around the riverbank, heard the old train whistle sing. The very next thing you hear from me, I've been tied to a ball and chain.
Okay, we are ripping out the wiring.
Okay, so this all goes to that panel, I'm sure.
This is so heavy.
Playing cards and crap games, not looking for the score. And if I ever get back home again, I'll never own no more. Gather round, you good time boys, listen to my song. May not know better, but I know you know right from wrong. Buy yourself a postcard. Country girl, keep quiet and settle down.
Hey, hang on to that thing. There's lots of good things on that panel.
There's lots of what?
Good things. There's a lot lot of good things on that channel. All the connections and connections.
These little short cables and the banks, right?
Yeah. Do we have a sawzall?
Sawzall?
Is that what it's called? A sawzall?
Yeah, it's not a saw.
I thought it was a sawzall. Sawzall. A sawzall. What do you call it?
Sawzall?
Sawzall. Sawzall.
Sawzall?
That other battery's dead. Right there.
Okay, so it took us quite a while and a lot of frustration to find all the screws to get rid of that big cabinet, so we didn't record that portion, probably because of the swears that were involved.
All right, heading to the inside. We got a speaker upgrade, and then Jeff was just kind of cleaning out the doors. There was so much dust and everything. We also switched out the side view mirrors, and when we took off the old metal ones, it left these giant holes. So we're gonna have to fix those, but we have some other fixing to do. So Jeff's just gonna mix up the Bondo and do all the holes at once. But we had a special delivery come in. Our Iceco fridge freezer that we ordered, it's a lot bigger than we thought it was going to be, but we're going to do an unboxing later on, another episode. For right now, at least we're keeping it safe, wrapped up.
So while Tab is inside freaking out about the Iceco fridge, we also received our Renogy solar setup. The first thing I'm going to do is go through the boxes here to make sure that everything we ordered did actually, in fact, come, and that we have all the pieces that we're going to need to get started with the install. Callie, you can see her, she's just poking in the screen here to make sure that we did actually get everything too. She's our triple checker.
More to come on our solar setup in another episode, but for today we're going to end this video. This was all recorded last year, and it's just taken this long for us to get everything put together and start making these videos. I know it seems kind of random, and we're going to do our best to put things in a better order going forward. No promises, and get started on some more exterior items. If you want to join in on our journey, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next episode.